The best foldable ping pong tables that are easy to assemble. If there's one game that can liven up any party or make time pass by in a flash, it's ping pong. With the best foldable ping pong table, you can turn your home into a gaming arena without taking up too much space. Just as fun as full-sized ping pong tables, the foldable counterparts come with the same sturdy construction and are made of durable materials. They are lightweight, easy to assemble, and even easier to transport, making them a better choice for those who move around often. So keep watching as we have listed some well-built foldable ping pong tables for you. Pick your favorite one and indulge in exciting games whenever you're in the mood. Number 1. Best with steel leg frames. MD Sports Table Tennis Set. This ping pong table with a net has reinforced construction with steel leg frames. It comes with essential accessories, including 2 balls, 2 paddles, a set of posts, and a net. The protective corner caps offer additional safety, and both sides are laminated with PVC to protect the table from water damage. It is easy to assemble the table using the 3D instructions accessible on the built app. The tube aprons provide additional support, and the thick tabletop provides even bounce. The official tournament size table can be folded for a single player practice. This ping pong table is portable thanks to its 2-inch double lockable casters. Base material: alloy steel. Item weight: 114.6 pounds. Product dimensions: 108 inches long by 60 inch width and 30 inches high. Material: alloy steel. Color: black and light blue. What we like: sturdy, easy to move around, lightweight, foldable, stylish, easy to store. What we don't like: might be difficult to assemble. The table may not align properly. Number 2. Best compact. Joola Indoor Ping Pong Table. Joola offers one of the best foldable ping pong tables with a stylish appearance and sturdy steel legs. Its surface provides a superior bounce, and the legs have levelers to ensure the playing surface is even and smooth. The table also folds upwards for a single-player game. This ping pong table with regulation tournament size comes with a removable net, and each wheel comes with a safety latch system. Specifications: color: bright blue. Playfield thickness: 0.59 inches. Product dimensions: 108 by 60 and 30 inches. Folded dimensions: 73 by 60 and 20 inches. Table aprons: 1 inch. Base material: particle board. Frame material: alloy steel. Base material: alloy steel. Item weight: 116 pounds. Product dimensions: 108 inch long by 60 inch width and 30 inch high. Material: engineered wood. Color: Americana. What we like: easy to store, compact, portable, easy to move around, easy to set up, superior bounce, sturdy, smooth surface. What we don't like: 4-piece table may not align well, holes for the U-clamps may not be located appropriately. Number 3. Best lightweight. Butterfly Junior Ping Pong Table. Included among the best brands, the foldable ping pong table by Butterfly Junior is height adjustable and slightly larger than a mid-size ping pong table. It has a sturdy steel frame, and each half of the ping pong table has 2 wheels to move it effortlessly. This miniature ping pong table has more thickness than ping pong tables of the same size and provides a superior bounce. In addition, it is equipped with protective corner pads and comes with an adjustable and removable net. Specifications: color: blue. Playfield thickness: 5 inches. Product dimensions: 81 by 45 and 30 inches. Weight: 75 pounds. Base material: alloy steel. Frame material: alloy steel. Frame material: alloy steel. Base material: alloy steel. Item weight: 75 pounds. Product dimensions: 81 inches by 45 inches and 30 inches. Material: wood. Color: blue. What we like: no assembly is required, sturdy, easy to store, compact, portable, easy to transport, lightweight. What we don't like: wheels may not lock well in place, net might not have a clip-on. Number 4. Best waterproof construction. Pro Spin Ping Pong Table. The medium-sized ping pong table is foldable and comes with a net, post, and leg levelers to provide a smooth and even surface. This table is made of durable aluminum and is easy to set up in smaller spaces. It comes with metal clasps to fix it securely and a handle to carry it with ease when folded. Specifications: color: blue. Playfield thickness: 0.59 inches. Product dimensions: 71 by 40 and 30 inches. Folded dimensions: 36 by 41 and 3.6 inches. Weight: 34 pounds. Base material: metal. Frame material, aluminum. Warranty, 1 year. Frame material, aluminum. Base material, aluminum. Item weight, 35 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 71x41x 30 inches. What we like: waterproof construction, pre-assembled, space-saving design, sturdy, lightweight, easy setup, compact, well-constructed. What we don't like: table material may not be dense enough to offer good bounce, legs may be fragile. Number 5. Best for playback. Stiga Advantage Lite Professional Tennis Table. Take your table tennis practice sessions to the next level with this professional-grade table by Stiga, suitable for all levels of players. With a solid yet lightweight construction, it is a great choice for both recreational and competitive play. It features a 22mm thick top, which provides a consistent bounce and allows for precise ball control and spin. The edges of the table have metal bracing to provide maximum durability and scratch resistance. Specifications: color, blue. Playfield thickness, 0.50 inches. Product dimensions, 62.6 by 56 and 3.5 inches. Folded dimensions, 28 by 60 and 64 inches. Weight, 63.96 kilograms. Base material, alloy steel. Frame material, alloy steel. Warranty, 90 days. Frame material, alloy steel. Base material, alloy steel. Product dimensions, 62.6 by 56 and 3.5 inches. Material, wood color, Advantage Lite. What we like: lockable wheels for portability, removable clamp style net and post, features playback mode, easy to assemble. What we don't like: not suitable for outdoors, may not fit smaller spaces once assembled. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.